Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar, Unlocking the Power of Natural Language Processing with NLP. In this session, we will explore the fascinating intersection of NLP and business intelligence, highlighting how this synergy unlocks powerful opportunities for data visualization and reporting. We will dive into how NLP streamlines dashboard creation and simplifies data analysis in NLP, empowering users to interact with the data in more intuitive and efficient way. Let's get started on the journey. So I'm Madan Kumar S, your host for today's session. I am leading the technical team behind the Bold BACI features. Let us take a quick look at the agenda for today's webinar. We will begin with an overview of business intelligence and natural language processing, exploring their intersection. Next, we will dive into the various applications of NLP and key benefits of integrating NLP into business intelligence systems. Following that, I'll introduce the conversational AI assistant in Bold BA and demonstrate how it enhances dashboard analysis and simplifies design process. We will then move on to a live demonstration to showcase these features in action. To wrap up, we will discuss best practices of AI Assistant and give you a sneak peek about the upcoming advancements in Bold BA with NLP. It is going to be an informative and engaging session, so let's get started. So let us start the session with business intelligence. So business intelligence refers to the processes, technologies, and tools used to analyze data and provide actionable insights, enabling organizations to make well-informed decisions. Let's break down the key components of BI. The key components are data collection, data warehousing, visualization, and reporting. The data collection process involves integrating data from various sources such as databases, APIs, and spreadsheets. Once collected, the data is centralized and organized in a structured format, making it ready for analysis. So this is data warehousing. Then visualization. Insights are then presented in a visually appealing and understandable manner using dashboards. Finally, reporting ensures ongoing analysis by generating periodic or on-demand reports to track key performance indicators and monitor progress over time. Together, these components create a powerful framework that transforms data into an actionable insights. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a technology used to process and analyze human language, whether in text or speech, and it turn into a data that computers can understand and work effectively. NLP involves several key tasks. I mentioned the major three key tasks here. First one, text to pre-processing. So in this step, the text data is cleaned and prepared. It includes removing irrelevant elements like punctuations, correcting errors, and breaking down the text into smaller parts, such as words or sentences, ensuring the data is structured and ready for analysis. Next key task is language understanding. Here, the system interprets the meaning of words and sentences. It involves recognizing context, understanding relationship between words, and even detecting sentiment or intent behind a message. Next is language generation. This step focuses on generating meaningful text or responses based on the input data. You have likely encountered this in chatbots, automatic text summarization tools, and somewhere else. So let us see the application of NLP. NLP provides a wide range of applications we encounter every day. Let me highlight some few key examples. Chatbots. These conversational agents understand human input and generate human-like responses, assisting with tasks like customer support and visual assistance. Next is sentiment analysis. This identifies emotions or sentiments in the text, whether positive, negative, or neutral, and is widely used in social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, and brand reputation management. Language translation is a key NLP application. Use it to translate a text between languages, simplifying the global communication. Next to text summarization and text classification. So text summarization, by the name, you can understand that it condenses lengthy documents into concise summaries. And the text classification, this categorizes text into predefined labels, such as identifying spam emails or sorting news article by topic. These examples illustrates how NLP is transforming the way we interact with and leverage language in our digital world. So let us see how merging NLP with PA has different advantages. Natural language processing is revolutionizing business intelligence by enabling users to interact with data systems through natural language queries. This integration simplifies data access and analysis, making BI tools more intuitive and user-friendly for everyone. Let us take a look at some of the key applications of NLP in BA. Querying BA tools with natural language. With the NLP, users can ask questions in plain language like show me the sales for last quarter and receive accurate results instantly without needing the technical expertise. Data analysis and insight generation. NLP helps to analyze data, patterns, and get actionable insights effectively. Automated text reports. It enables automatic generation of clear, concise written summaries or reports based on dashboard data, saving time and enhancing communication. Chatbots and visual assistants. These tools use NLP to facilitate conversational interactions, allowing users to explore data, create reports, and gain insights effortlessly through natural dialogue. Next, let us see the benefits of NLP in BA. NLP in business intelligence offers several key advantages that makes data analysis more effective and user-friendly. The major benefit is enhanced accessibility. With NLP, non-technical users can interact with complex data systems using conversational language, removing the need to understand datasets or their relationships. It also eliminates the requirement for SQL or coding knowledge, making BA tools accessible to everyone. This not only saves time but also reduces the resources needed to design metrics and generate reports. Faster decision making is another advantage. NLP provides instant responses to queries, allowing users to quickly access actionable insights and make informed decisions without delays. Improve user experience. By utilizing NLP, conversational based querying is possible, which enhances engagement and interaction with BA tool. Lastly, context aware insights. These NLP models can interpret previous interactions and context to provide more relevant and precise insights, making analysis process smarter and more tailored to user needs. Until now, we explored NLP, its application in business intelligence, and benefits it offers. Now let's shift our focus to power of NLP within Power BI. The Bowlby AI assistant is a virtual conversational assistant that lets users interact with the dashboard using natural language, just as they would do in a conversation with another person. There is no need for structured queries or commands, making it highly intuitive and user friendly. The reason to provide conversational interface is contextual understanding and the conversational flow. The assistants are designed to remember the context of previous interactions. This means they can build on your earlier questions and provide more relevant and accurate insights as the conversation continues. It's like having a system that learns from you and adapts to your needs in real time. One of the biggest advantages of conversation interface is the natural flow of interaction they provide. Unlike traditional BA tools where you need to know exactly what to search for, a conversational assistant allows you to ask follow-up questions and refine your queries seamlessly. So let's explore how AI assistant can enhance data and dashboard analysis in Power BI. If you are exploring data and dashboards and have questions, you can simply ask the AI assistant and it will provide the answers for you. This removes the need for technical expertise or reliance on data analysts, making insights accessible to everyone. Next is interactive visualization. The AI assistant can dynamically generate new visualizations to help you to explore or validate metrics from different angles. For example, assume you have a grid showing sales data by country, but we want to view the sales distribution in a pie chart. Then you just simply ask the AI assistant. It will instantly generate the visualization. You can easily see the contribution of each country and its percentage in a pie chart without modifying the widget or dashboard. Finally, validations are made simple with the AI assistant. The AI assistant also allows you to compare metrics with other factors on the fly without needing to adjust or modify the dashboard. For instance, if you have the sales data by country, but you want to see the sales by region, just ask the AI assistant. It will generate the corresponding visualization, enabling you to validate the data and and gain deeper insights quickly. So let's explore how the AI assistant can simplify dashboard design process. Traditionally, dashboard designing involves several process. So if you want to design a dashboard, you need to understand the data and how the different fields relate to each other. You also need to identify the trends and patterns in the data. Next, there's a critical task of choosing the right type of charts or graphs to effectively visualize those trends. Finally, you manually create widgets to display the data in a way that is clear and meaningful for the user. This process can be time consuming and complex, but with the AI assistant, much of the efforts are streamlined, making the dashboard design process quicker. With the AI assistant, the creation of visualization is automated based on the specific requirements you provide. All you need to do is specify the metrics you want to visualize, and the AI assistant will handle the rest. No need to manually select chart types or configure settings. The AI assistant instantly generates the appropriate widget, whether it's a bar chart, a line chart, or a pie chart. It places directly onto the designer canvas. This takes the guesswork out of the design process and saves you time. Once the widget is generated, you only need to position it in the layout. You can easily drag and drop it where it fits the best without needing to tweak the individual settings. Once the chart is created, any UI customizations you need can be done effortlessly with the AI assistant. No manual configuration required. You can modify the chart properties using simple instructions. For example, if you want to change the color of a bar chart, you can just say change the bar color to blue. If you like to add more details, you can request like add labels or add data labels to show exact sales number. The AI assistant applies these changes instantly, saving you time by eliminating the need for manually navigating through settings and rebuild the chart. You can even change the charter without starting over. For instance, if you want a different perspective, you can say convert this chart to a line chart, and the AI system will adjust the visualization for you on the spot. Let us see a quick demo of Bolby AI Assistant. So let me start the dashboard designing process with the help of AI Assistant. So in the dashboard designer, you first need to add the data sources with which you want to create a dashboard. Okay. So once the data source is added, you don't need to analyze the data for visualization. You just to open the AI assistant and you can converse with the AI assistant as it's a conversation assistant. You can initiate the conversation with the AI assistant. So it replied the AI assistant is ready to create charts for us. So now we can ask questions. Like say for example, if I want to show proportion customers. So here I need the proportion of customers by each city for the country USA. So it creates the visualization for me. So what I need to do is I just need to uh, resize for my layout and if you see the configuration panel, the AI assistant took care of all the data configuration works and all the formatting required. It automatically provided the name for the axis and it applied the filters you need for this visualization. So if you are okay with this visualization, you can proceed, or if you want to change any properties, you can directly ask in the AI assistant. Say, for example, change the title to portion customers. Okay, so the title is updated. So likewise, you can modify the visual properties So and once you completed the design, you can place it in the layout. Next, I will show you how this AI assistant will work in the dashboard view mode and how it helps to analyze the uh, data or the dashboard here. Okay, so here I have a coronavirus monthly case analysis dashboard. It has some predefined set of widgets. So now I want to compare. In this widget, I don't have direct comparison between the recovery rate and death rate. So I just asked that question to AI assistant. It provided the corresponding visualization. So now I can compare the uh, data here, and I can take the insights. I can take the actions based on this visualization. Similarly, I can ask whatever doubts I have here. If I want to visualize anything uh, in different angle, I can ask the AI assistant. Okay, so thank you. Let me go back to this slide. Okay, so let us look some best practices for generating widgets with the AI assistant. Widget generation is purely based on schema. I mean the schema of the data source. For better results, ensure that your data has proper table and column names, as this will help the AI assistant to provide more precise insights. Next is filtering specific values. If you need to filter data based on specific values, be sure to mention both the column name and the value you want to filter by. For example, you could ask what is the sales of the laptop. In this case, what is the sales of the product laptop? In this case, product is the column name, and specifying it helps the AI assistant know exactly which column the filter should be applied to. And the another major the practice is when filtering by exact values, includes the values in double quotes. For example, what is the sales of the product laptop? So inclusive add laptop in double quotes. This ensures the assistant understands the exact value to filter by. Following these simple instructions, you can ensure that the AI assistant delivers more accurate and relevant results for your dashboards and queries. Till now, we saw the power of NLP in dashboard designing and in data analysis. As we look ahead, Bold BA has exciting plans to enhance the user experience by integrating NLP into the platform. The first major update is textual replace for questions. In addition to visualizations, there are certain instances where textual response can provide more clarity and be more meaningful. For example, imagine asking, is revenue increased compared to last week? Or how many customers didn't purchase the product X? So in these cases, instead of manually showing the widget and manually analyzing the widget, the AI assistant will be able to answer the questions with a simple and concise text response. So the next major feature we are working out is dashboard summarization. Bold BI plans to enable automatic summarization of dashboards and widgets by converting chart insights into readable textual summaries. Users gain a clear understanding of the data without having to dig deep into the visuals. This not only enhances comprehension but also adds a professional touch to reports. Thank you for joining us in today's session. Let me summarize this webinar. We have explored the application of NLP and NLP in business intelligence, seen how conversational assistants can simplify complex tasks, and experienced a live demonstration of these innovations in action. We also discussed best practices and gave you a sneak peek into the future advancements in role BA. Remember, AI is not just about technology, it is about empowering better decision. We hope this webinar has provided valuable insights and we are excited to see how you will incorporate these tools into your business intelligence strategies.